Moving on to the C cups, we're going to use our Anise Tea outliners to make them as crispy as possible. You always want to make sure you go slow enough that the hair feeds into the teeth of the trimmer, because if not, it won't cut. Now we're using our thinning shears to thin out some of the bulk. Now that we're done with our base fade and silhouette, we're going to go ahead and blend out the corner of the right side. This is so the V connects to the fade a little bit better. Remember to always use the opposite hand to stretch the skin to give you more face to fade. Now we're moving on to the left side of the fade, and where there was a little bit of a dark spot, so I moved on to my 1.5 guard and took it out. Now that we're done lining up the fade, we can move on to our Anise Tea outliners and make them as crispy as possible. You also want to make sure you don't press too hard when using the corners of a trimmer, because you could bite them. There was a lot of hair in his front line, so I debulked with my clipper over comb method, then lined him up. Now that we're done debulking his bangs, we can move on to our NST outliners and start off in the middle, working our way to the sides. Always remember to go slow enough that the hair feeds into the trimmer. Most of the time I'm tapping and then dragging, if not, I'm slicing. Again, I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe is greatly appreciated. Also, if you leave a comment down below, I'm definitely gonna reply. So make sure you let me know that you made it this far into the video.